Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone control center is not working on lock screen in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your control center is not working on your lock screen, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you can see I have locked my phone and here I'm unable to access my control center. But when I unlock my phone, here my control center is accessible. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to simply open your settings app. So here just scroll down and you'll find the option of face ID and passcode. Select that and here enter your iPhone passcode, and here you'll get the option of or the section of allow access to unlock. You must have to enable this setting for your control center. Once you have this enabled, your setting will be enabled and you will be able to use your control center from your lock screen. So if you are still having the same issue after doing this setting, so you have to go to general, go for software update and try to make a software update. After that go back, select the transfer reset iPhone, select reset, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete any kind of your data, it will just reset all of your phone settings. So you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.